Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna discuss Leetcode 921, which is asked in Facebook and Google interviews. So for this question, we're gonna be given a parenthesis string, and the parenthesis string is valid if and only if it's an empty one, or it doesn't have any parentheses and only have letters in it, or it has parentheses over the letters. So we are given the string, right? And in one move, we can only insert a parenthesis at any position of the string. And we're gonna need to return the minimum number of moves to make the string valid. So for example, in this string, we have one extra right parenthesis. So we just need to insert one left parenthesis at either position 0 or position 1 to make it valid. And in example 2, there are 3 left parentheses. So we are missing 3 right ones. So we just insert 3 to make it valid. And that's why we have 3 here. So this question can be translated into find the number of extra parentheses in the string. Because if we have n extra parentheses, no matter left or right, we can just insert another extra n parentheses to make it valid. Like if we have 3 extra left ones and the 2 extra right ones, like in this case, like something like this. If we have something like this, then we only need to insert 4 extra, like make like 2 here. Oh, sorry, 2 here and the 2 here to make it valid. So just finding the number of extra invalid left parentheses and the invalid right ones, and then we just add those, pair them up and to make it valid. So we need to keep track of the number of invalid lefts and invalid rights. So let's initialize invalid left. So these are the invalid lefts we have in the string, and make it initialize it to 0, and then we have invalid rights in the string and initialize it to 0 as well. So now we're gonna loop through the string. And the character can either be left parentheses or right parentheses or a letter. So for letter, we don't care. We only need to care about the parentheses ones. So if char equal to the left one. So if it's a left one, and if there's no right one to pair it up, then it will be invalid left. So we can just like increment the left one. And then if we have a right one, if we see a right parenthesis, then if there is invalid left, then it can pair it up. So the invalid left will be -1. Otherwise, this right parenthesis has nothing to pair it up. So this is invalid right. So in the end, so now after we loop through the string, we find all the invalid lefts and the invalid rights. So we just return the total number of them. And this should be the number of moves. This should be the number of parentheses we need to pair them up, and then this is the number of moves we need for the question. So let's see how it goes. Yep, it works. So for time complexity wise, it will be order of n, because we need to loop through a string, and the space complexity will be constant, because like we don't need extra space, just like a few variables. All right, so this is the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one.